Hi there! So your boss has instructed you to convert your years of teaching experience into a video format. You've been asked to create an online e-learning resource, a video tutorial, which includes what we call a talking head video, meaning you are in front of the camera. Are you comfortable with this? Not really? Or perhaps you are and you're just not quite sure where to start. Perhaps you are a vlogger and you want to create weekly videos for your blog or social media accounts. So where do you start? How do you set up your shot? What camera to use? What sound equipment? How will you ever become comfortable in front of the camera? Is it expensive? How will you ever be able to memorize all the information you need to convey? Well, you won't. I will teach you how easy, quick and inexpensive these videos can be without compromising on quality. I focus heavily on how to make you comfortable communicating in front of the camera, because that is the point really, to convey your knowledge to the student or to keep your followers' attention. All you will need for this course is any device that can record video, like your cell phone or even the built-in webcam in your computer. We will use free software that turns your computer into a teleprompter so you don't have to memorize any lines. And I will also show you how to set up your shot that you look professional and engaging to the viewer. Sounds good? Let's start.